Rapid IV push of potassium chloride. Yes, definitely it will lead to cardiac arrest in your patient. Yes, there are many of the life-saving drugs can cause a serious complication in your patient if you don't know this. So being a nurse, you should know that which medication should not be given by rapid IV push to your patient. Yes, so here the first we have potassium chloride. Potassium chloride is a medication which should not be given by rapid IV push. It must be diluted and be given at a slower rate, at least 10 to 20 milliequivalent per hour maximum. Yes, otherwise it can cause cardiac arrest in your patient. Okay, so remember, rapid IV push of potassium chloride can cause cardiac arrest in your patient. Okay, rapid injection of vancomycin can cause severe hypotension, flushing, or Redman syndrome in your patient. Thus, it should be provided at slower rate. Okay, so next up we have amiodarone. Amiodarone is an important emergency drug that should be must diluted before administration and should be provided at a slower rate. Rapid administration or rapid IV push of amiodarone can hypotension and bradycardia. And more important thing is here, always dilute before administration. Okay, so amiodarone is a medication that can lead to hypotension or bradycardia. Next up we have streptomycin. Streptomycin is the medication that should be provided at slower rate, otherwise it can lead to ototoxicity. And next, magnesium sulfate or rapid injection of magnesium sulfate can cause respiratory depression, hypotension and bradycardia. Thus we should not provide it by rapid IV push. It should be provided at slower rate, at least 15 to 20 minutes. Hope you all understand about the topic. If you want more such video, please let me know. Thank you. Happy study, future nurses.